How to fix Nest app not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your application is simply not working, scroll down your notification center and check for the Bluetooth connectivity. If your Bluetooth connection has broken down, then you might face such issue. If that's not the case, follow this quick and easy step. Open up your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps and click on it. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Nest. Start off by force stopping your application. Head over to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. This will solve any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be creating the problem. While you are in your phone settings, navigate to your main settings page. Scroll down and tap on System Update. Check that your system is up to date. If not, update your system so that it can support latest version of the applications. If the issue still persists, tap open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Nest. Please note that if your application is ongoing to an update, your application will not launch or work. All you need to do is have some patience and try again. However, if it's still not working, try to uninstall your application and reinstall it. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.